Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just the throwaways.
What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna be showing you a video how to get your own favorite ringtone, your favorite ringtone. First, you need to go to the Play Store, then go to Google Play, then write Zedge, then you need to install it, but I already installed it. Then you need to go to let it load. It makes your own wallpapers, this and all that, like Fortnite wallpapers. It can make live wallpapers. It can find your favorite ringtone, and if you put a game that you like here, it can find on like Pixel. Games. You find almost every game you want. And it makes ringtones too, like gospel.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only part.
That. If you want to get one, if you want a ringtone, or it can also be your notification, just press on it. Press on the white thing. You can set it as your ringtone, set as contact ringtone, set notification, or even set it as alarm sound. You can like them, you can share, and that's it, guys. See you on the next time.